Hello, I am Martin, and what I'm gonna do in this video is explain my answers in a database normalization activity. So, first is, ano nga ba yung database normalization? So, database normalization is a database design principle for organizing data in an organized and consistent way. Ina-normalize lang natin itong mga data na to. So, anong purpose ba nito? The main purpose of this is to avoid complexities, eliminate duplicates, and organize data in a consistent way. So the data is divided into several tables linked together with relationships. To achieve this, we need to use primary keys, foreign keys, and composite keys. So ano nga ba ang normal forms nito? May first, second, then third. Meron na rin fourth hanggang sixth. So all the types of database normalization are cumulative, meaning each one builds on top of those beneath it. So all concepts in one normal form also carry over to second and so on. So let's get it on. Okay. First data natin. Ito ang first data natin. At it is already on a first normal form. So ano nga bang characteristics ng first normal form? A single cell must not hold more than one value atom or what this is what we call atomicity. So there must be a primary key. Okay. Itong primary key na to ay used for the identification ng data. So no duplicated rows or columns. So each column must have only one value for each row in the table. So makikita natin what mayroong pagka-duplicate tulad nito, duplicate sila. So ayan ang tatanggalin natin dito sa second normal form. So ano bang characteristics nito? The first normal form only eliminates repeating groups. Okay? Makita natin kahit parehas yan, magkaiba sila ng time at ng date at ng surgery number. So, first normal form, tinatanggal lahat ng duplicate. Pero ano makita natin? Wala silang redundancy. Yun ang binabawi ng second normal form. Okay? Second normal form, characteristics nito, it is already first normal form and it has no partial dependency. That is, all non-key attributes are fully dependent on a primary key. Lahat ng non-key attributes ay nakadepend dito sa mga primary key natin. Okay, tulad nitong patient name, nakadepende sa patient number, dentist name, so the staff number. At the appointment table, itong time surgery number, nakadepende sa staff at sa patient. Pero di ko lang sa patient name. So, sa third normal form, ano nga ba ito? Sa second normal form, natanggal na yung repeating groups, tsaka pati redundancy. Anong tatanggalin yung third normal form? Yung transitive partial dependency. Okay. Same sa patient table, same sa staff table, pero ang pinagkaiba, meron tayong final appointment table, appointment due date, ay appointment date, time, surgery number, nakadepend sa dalawang to. Okay. Next problem. Okay. First normal form, walang repeated, walang duplicate. Second normal form, tinanggal ang redundancy. Gets? Okay, naka-base ang employee name sa NIN. At ang contract table, hours, hotel number, nakadepend sa contract number at nakadepende sa NIN. Okay, third normal form, tatanggalin ang transitive dependency. Gets? Nagkaroon ng hotel table. Same sa contracts table, employee table. Next, problem number 3. First normal form, tinanggal ang duplicate. Kita natin, magkakaiba po yan kahit sa tingin natin mukhang parehas. Second normal form, nagkaroon ng relationships, tinanggal ang redundancy. Paki-redundancy. Okay, may nagkaroon ng student ID, student name, nakadepende sa student ID. At ang course table, lahat ito nakadepende na sa course ID. Third naman, tinanggal na ang transitive partial dependency sa second normal form nito. Okay, dito na siya nakadepend. Same sa course table, student table, pero dinagdag ang faculty table. So, tapos na. So, again, salamat sa pagkinig, sa pag-explain ko sa mga sagot ko. So, this is Martin again.